Simplifying an expression with index or power laws. We will be simplifying the expression displayed. It may look quite involved at first sight, but it's not too difficult. Let's just look at it for a bit. We will take it one step at a time. Consider the expression in two parts: left side of the multiply operation and the right side. Let's look at the left-hand side of the expression first. Here, the numerator, which is the top line, where we have x raised to the power of 3 or x cubed. The power or index raised to is highlighted in red. So x cubed is divided by the denominator. This is below the divide line. The denominator in this case is x squared multiplied by y squared. For the moment, we will leave this left-hand side of the expression unchanged. This part of the expression is multiplied by the right side of the expression. In the right side part of the expression, we have y divided by x squared, all within brackets, and raised to the power of 3. Let's consider the numerator, the top of the line, where y is raised now to the power of 3. And not to forget the divide line, the denominator is x squared, which is then further raised to a power of 3. And applying the power rule, the indices or powers in this case are multiplied together, as shown. X is now raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. That is, x is now to the power of 6. The next step is to multiply the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the expression and apply the power rules to the indices. So, for the numerator, the top section, we get x cubed multiplied by y cubed. And the denominator, we have x squared multiplied by x to the power of 6, which gives us x to the power of 2 plus 6 multiplied by y squared. This can be simplified further. Keeping the top section of the expression the same, x cubed multiplied by y cubed, divided by, now x to the power of 8 multiplied by y squared. The next step is to address the divide operation. By combining the variables from the numerator and the denominator and applying the power rules, the outcome of this action is x is now raised to the power of 3, take away 8, multiplied by y raised to the power of 3, take away 2. This can be tidied up to show x to the power of minus 5 multiplied by y to the power of 1. So, we just simplified the expression by applying the power rule.